feels so good on you. Beautiful, beautiful. Babe, you know that it's not today I've been observing you. I've seen you, you know that shopping mall that you went to last week and bought some groceries. I'm the one who owns it. Yeah, I saw you and I followed you. I drove behind you and discovered that this is your shop and you actually do pedicure. Today I decided to come have a close time with you. And of course, I don't regret it. Yeah. Let me ask you, have you ever been to the US?
No.
Oh, you've never traveled out?
No.
Actually, let me bust your bubbles. I just came in from the US. I've been there, almost half of my life. But I just came back to establish some, investments around here. So I just need a wife, a very, very responsible wife. And actually, my parents have been pressuring me to come back home and look for a wife. But thank God today I found a beautiful dancer.
Oh, thank you.
Wow, I love the feel of your hands on my leg. Oh, baby girl. So, I think next week I should be ready to meet your parents. And you also meet mine. We'll now draw out the wedding plans. And I think I think Dubai should be a perfect venue.
Oh.
You're worth all the effort, baby. Oh, see those eyes. Lovely, lovely teeth. Oh, my baby girl. You drive me crazy with that laugh.
Don't kill me for my time.
No. How can I kill my wife? How can I kill my wife?
You don't know. You don't know why it's going on.
See this useless man. So now do say you enter here.
Who's this?
You never are you mad or something? Something wrong with you. You ask who be this? Come, what did they want to here? They wash leg. I come say no the money they give me make it keep for me from my dashi. Can't they do this useless thing? Come, you never wash leg before. This is stupid useless man. See, even borrow clothes, even wear come do pedicure on top. And you this useless girl. This stupid girl, I believe that this man will not tell you plenty scope now. You can go fall for you go fall like other girls they fall too. And then anyone not blame you. See, back, give me my money. See, you need to lie to the other side of me. You bring that money. Shut up, you ain't mad.
Which kind of disgrace?
What disgrace how? You carry my money come and do pedicure. This is stupid man. You wake up and leave food for house. You give food for house. When last you buy food for that house? You can't even buy food for house. What's the work? And I give my money job. Stupid. As to work at the girls everywhere now. No, you do. America man. This stupid man, come here, where they go? Why give my money? Give my money.